Hi friends, welcome to the Tech Blog Live YouTube channel. Asus has been steadily ramping up its laptop portfolio in the world market, across different categories. Be it for gaming, business, or the regular consumer, and there's an Asus laptop that meets the requirements. The TUF Gaming lineup of laptops has always included suitable mid-range components for gaming on the go. The all-new Asus TUF Gaming F15 laptop is an addition to the company's gaming range. Asus recently launched a new TUF notebook, powered by Intel's 10th Gen CPUs, and NVIDIA's GTX 1650 GPUs. The TUF Gaming F15 is more than enough to power its 1080p screen with a high refresh rate. Asus also updates its design and chassis, which helps distinguish itself from gaming laptops of the past. The TUF F15 is a capable gaming device, with good cooling system. It brings good performance to the table, without being too expensive. So can the latest TUF Gaming F15 live up to the expectations set by its predecessors? Well, stick around, and let's find out. Asus TUF Gaming F15. The TUF Gaming lineup of laptops has always included mid-range components for gaming on the go. The TUF F15 has been steadily growing in power for a performance level than the pricier ROG models. It has a powerful processor, a great display, and excellent battery life. You get a value-focused but true gaming laptop, with high frame rates, and an RTX GPU under your budget. The TUF Gaming F15 tries to be your everyday college and office work machine. This laptop is perfect for gamers, as it comes with many features for a price this low. If you don't care for fancy RGB lights, then the new TUF Gaming F15 model may be worth considering. Design. The TUF Gaming F15 is designed for gamers, and that's clear by the looks of the laptop. The chassis is built using hard plastic, while the bottom and grills are also made of plastic. Despite the plastic build, the TUF Gaming F15 laptop does seem quite sturdy. It feels sturdy, and the chassis offers confidence in daily use despite being plastic built. The laptop also has hard edges, with a giant TUF logo on the top lid. The textured honeycomb design on the base adds grip and feels pleasant to use, while the hexagon reinforcement design around the chassis offers a sturdy feel. The vast palm rest area is a treat for gamers and people who spend a lot of time working on the keyboard. The desktop-style keyboard comes with hairline brushstrokes that save the laptop from smudges. The TUF Gaming F15 laptop is available in Fortress Gray and Bonfire Black colors. Asus says the TUF F15 are tested for drops, vibration, humidity, and extreme temperatures. The power button is located in the top right corner, and it is separate from the keyboard. This F15 isn't a laptop trying to be the lightest or thinnest option on the market. But this device is trying to find a good balance between value and mobility. It is a 15.6-inch laptop with around 5.07 pounds, and it is 2.5 centimeters thick. So TUF F15 is pretty mobile-friendly, compared to other gaming laptops of this class. There's not much flex in the panels, and the hinges are also solid. It is easy to open the lid with one hand, and you can see a typical Asus gaming keyboard. The device has a higher screen-to-body ratio, with a webcam on the top bezel. The device does have massive exhaust vents that help the device with heat dissipation. Overall, it's a unique-looking laptop that a gaming enthusiast will appreciate. Display. The TUF F15 features a 15.6-inch Full HD IPS display, with a 144Hz refresh rate. The diagonal 15.6-inch has a resolution of 1920x1080 pixels. The screen ratio is 16:9, and you get a pixel density of 142 ppi. The display also has good viewing angles, with sharp images and vibrant colors. The color gamut is average for a budget laptop, and it has around 62% sRGB coverage. The color accuracy is also average, since the panel cannot display brighter colors. That means colors won't be super accurate, though the display gets the job done. The maximum brightness is relatively low, and you will get up to 278 nits. This display is just suitable for indoor, and it's not ideal for a bright environment. This display looks vibrant, especially while playing games and watching online content. The 1080p display is rich, and the 144Hz with adaptive sync does make playing games buttery smooth. The higher refresh rate definitely helps while playing FPS and Battle Royale games. The F15 also comes in another variant, with 240Hz refresh rate and 100% sRGB coverage. Overall, this display is suitable for office work, decent for entertainment, and excellent for gaming. Performance. The TUF Gaming F15 packs enough firepower to get you through anything and everything. The Intel-powered TUF Gaming F15 is equipped with a Core i5-10300H processor. The i5-10300H processor is more than capable of handling various tasks beyond gaming. The 8GB of RAM can help you perform and execute all your tasks smoothly. It comes with 2 RAM slots, which can take up to 32GB of DDR4 RAM and dual channel. The ultra-fast 512M.2 SSD makes sure that you can store all your data, images, and movies. It also comes with an HDD slot to increase your storage with an additional HDD in the future. However, it uses the GTX 1650Ti with 4GB video memory when it comes to GPU. The GTX 1650Ti GPU delivers the ultimate performance for gamers and creators. This device has more than enough hardware for 1080p, or even 1440p gaming in most cases. It packs serious horsepower, rendering a 10-minute video in about a few seconds. Moreover, the single-core and multi-core performance on this machine is excellent. It features vents on the back and right sides, and honeycomb vents on the bottom. It comes with 4 heat pipes and 3 heat sinks that absorb the warm air for heat dissipation. In addition, the laptop features 83-blade LCP fans to maximize airflow. It also features new self-cleaning anti-dust tunnels located at the edges of the fans. These tunnels are meant to direct dust and dirt particles coming inside back out of the chassis. The cooling system does wonders, pushing air out the vents and keeping heat away from the keyboard. Most importantly, all these operations are silent, with no audible fan noise. If you ever want to take your gaming experience to the next level, the F15 won't disappoint you. It also gives you a lot of other features to make your day-to-day life easier. Gaming. It comes with a TUF Gaming imprint on the top of the keyboard, which declares it's built for gamers. There's no doubt that the subtle design elements on the TUF Gaming F15 help you with gaming. The huge palm rest area and RGB keyboard with differently marked WASD keys enhance the gaming experience. It can handle all the latest titles with ease, and you won't feel that the device was underpowered. You won't notice any frame rate drops on choosing the highest graphics settings on various games. The Battlefield V offered higher frame rates on ultra settings, with the same frame drops with ray tracing. Titles like Overwatch and Apex Legends allow you to take maximum advantage of the 144Hz panel. The GTA 5 and The Witcher 3 managed an average frame rate of 90 FPS on ultra settings. In Call of Duty: Black Ops Cold War, the TUF 15 delivered 85 FPS on average on ultra settings. The TUF F15 comes with the Armory Crate app to tweak settings for gaming and other tasks. Keyboard. The TUF Gaming F15 packs a desktop-style keyboard, which means you get an additional number pad. They have transparent WASD keys, which look superb and colorful compared to the rest of the keys. The keyboard comes with an RGB backlight, which you can fully customize using the Armory Crate app. It also offers various RGB backlight modes like static, breathing, and color cycle. The keyboard had decent feedback while typing, and they offer good key travel. The overstroke technology helps to get a faster response for every keystroke. The keyboard feels comfortable, and you can type on it with accuracy. Although, the one-hand opening was smooth and easy, with minimal keyboard flex. Touchpad. The TUF F15 also comes with a mid-sized trackpad, with physical left and right buttons. This touchpad was relatively smooth, responsive, and convenient to use. The touchpad offers a great experience, combined with a high refresh rate display. The gliding surface feels smooth on touch, and it works as expected without any issue. Additionally, it also supports gesture navigation and Windows Precision drivers. Overall, it's a good trackpad for normal day-to-day usage and gaming. Connectivity. The TUF Gaming F15 has an excellent selection of ports, even by gaming laptop standards. It features a power input port, RJ45 port, an HDMI port, two USB 3.2 Type-A ports, and a USB Type-C port on the left. You get two USB 2.0 Type-A ports, and a Kensington lock on the right. The USB Type-C ports support display out and power delivery. The backside has no ports, but it comes with two huge exhaust vents. The TUF F15 supports data connections via Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.0. Battery. The TUF F15 laptop ships with a 3-cell lithium polymer 48Wh battery. Also, Asus supplies some paper manuals and a 150 watts charger inside the package. The TUF Gaming F15 can last up to 5 hours straight on a single charge. The battery backup is excellent, considering it's a gaming device with one-zone RGB lights. The considerable battery backup makes it perfect for those long gaming sessions. You can charge the TUF F15 from 20 to 70% in about 30 minutes, which is impressive. However, I will advise that you keep the laptop plugged in while gaming. Speakers. The two speakers with 4 cutouts are loud and clear, with good bass. It also has a built-in mic, which helps communicate during video calls and gaming. You won't have any trouble using these speakers for casual gaming or attending Zoom calls. Webcam. The TUF F15 comes with a 720p webcam at the top bezel, and a built-in microphone. It's nice to have a built-in webcam, especially now with many people working from home. The colors weren't inaccurate, and the webcam fails to give good clarity over video calls. You'll need an external webcam for anything professional seeming. Operating system. The TUF F15 comes with a pre-installed Windows 10 Home, with lifetime validity. You can freely upgrade to Windows 11 when available. You can get access to over 100 high-quality PC games on Windows 10. Pros. Cons. Conclusion. The TUF F15 is right up there, with the very best in its segment as far as gaming laptops go. A powerful processor coupled with the latest GPU, that reliably delivers high frame rates for many modern games. From the superb performance and fast display, to the vast array of ports and comfortable keyboard. The TUF F15 offers a simplistic design, over the glowing LEDs and edge externals. The F15 also delivers some of the best battery life you'll experience on a gaming laptop. It comes with well-balanced internals, and an easy-to-upgrade your RAM and SSD a breeze. The heat dissipation is fantastic, while military-grade certification offers confidence during daily use. It offers plenty of performance to give contemporary mid-range gaming desktops some good competition. The new TUF Gaming laptop is ideally suited for enthusiast gamers on the go. It has all the features to play the latest AAA titles like Street Fighter V, Witcher 3, and more. It's a versatile notebook, and is pretty good at handling most tasks very quickly. This laptop is perfect for gamers on a budget, as it comes with many features for a low price. Asus TUF F15's base price starts at $850, approximately 63,000 rupees. Specification table. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. If you liked this video, make sure to like and subscribe for more videos just like this. Also hit that bell icon, so that you don't miss any of our latest updates. In my channel, you will get the detailed and latest laptop reviews, plus the things to consider, to help you choose the best laptop for you. If you're curious about the current pricing and availability, you can check the description, and click on the Amazon link. If you use that Amazon link to make a purchase, we'll get a small commission, but at no extra cost to you. This support keeps this channel alive, and helpful content coming your way. You can also find a more detailed analysis on our website, bestinlinealaptops.com. Let me know your thoughts on this video in the comments below. Have a great one, and I will see you in the next video.